Right, we had a couple of hours today on it. Fitted the running boards, which looks really good. Replacement manifold, joints fitted, but unfortunately it's just confirmed the problem we thought it was, which is a gas ring gone on number 6 cylinder. So this will be easy to come off. So that's when the next job's on the engine side. So that'll have to come off. New gas ring fitted and cleaned up, and hope there's not too much damage on the mating faces in there. But I think it'll be alright though. So that bit's sorted out. Running board fitted on this side, just looking good. It's just a matter of chipping away at the job. The replacement roof section is fitted. As you can see it, you'll see from back here, it'll be a bit better. I'll zoom in. As you can see, the replacement roof's fitted now, and it's looking really good. So it's just a matter of keep chipping away at the jobs, and we get there in the end. But the timber replaced the plastic, which is held by cable ties, which wasn't really safe. But we got coach proper bolts, 10mm bolts in place now. It's absolutely solid. So I'm very pleased with that. So the next job now is to finish off. There's a couple of plates in the roof to do. Need to be sorted out. And then we need to change a pin on the bridle. Then we need to check out to free off the back steering clutch. And yeah, it's very tight. Yeah, the bucket was finished last time. It just needs greasing basically. These are the pins we put in up at Cumbargoid when we done the pendant ropes. But she's getting there bit by bit. As you can see, I'm really pleased with that roof. That is good. That's really good. But looks like it's always been there. So you're going to get that clutch sorted out though, because we dragged the bucket from there to here. Did a bit of muck shifting, and yeah, it's getting there now, slowly getting there. That panel there is going to be ground off. That's when the jobs I might do next week, depending on whether I grind these nuts off, replace that panel completely. This door bottom, I might take that home, and I've got some stuff coming, some channeling, 10mm channeling to go across the bottom to strengthen it. And that guide going to be cleaned out. But it should be pretty good then. But you've got to remember, this is a 60-year-old machine, and she's been out in some really rough conditions. You can see the original pulley if you wanted to fit for the dipper trip, and you got the drag line fair lead. But yeah, the track's pretty well worn, but she's a static model. She's a static exhibit here, so she'll be run up now and again just to keep her supple. But yeah, there's a lot of cleaning up to do. she's looking good, isn't she? Do you think she's good, isn't she?
Yeah, really good, yeah, it's pretty good. It's
Yeah.
basic, everything's basic,
Yeah.
It's not too complicated to work on. Like.
No.
The roof's got it really good, isn't it?
Yeah, pleased with that. Because that could have been really awkward, that could have been, you know, the shape of it. Yeah. I cut the bolts off and make a new plate up.
Bring this out and make a complete new piece. I think it'd bring it on really good.
Yeah. And the plates at the top to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is and that plate there to bolt
tidy up
to bolt down.
Yeah.
Tighten that up. I've made some time ago. But the biggest enemy is the weather.
Yeah. Hopefully it's going to break now.
Yeah, it's just, we've had lots of rain, so I think we've done alright though. I think we've done really well.
It's a good job done today, mind, as,
yeah,
for
safety.
as regards to safety.
After that hanging around on the side of the machine last week.
So we're not like a monkey.
Yeah, it's a lot safer now.
Yeah, it's a job well worth doing now.
Oh, definitely, particularly that side. Much safer to work on. Those lamps will come off. They got replacement lamps for them. So they'll take a bracket off, clean the bracket up, and they are ploughing lamps. They are like these tractor replacement ploughing lamps. That's what they are. You can get them off eBay, but the ones I got are a Butler solid, smaller version of the drop ones, refurbished and converted for 24 volt. So it'll look good. Looks really good.
This makes a difference, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. When you think of it, this machine must be stuck on top of a mountain for 35 years in really harsh conditions.
In the elements in it.
Really harsh. But she's back now in quite a nice little spot, really, with a lot of history.
In a milder environment.
Yeah, there's a lot of history around it as well, with Lewis Merthyr Colliery. Built in, I think it was 1850, they sunk it. But she's good, she's really good. So till next time, hopefully the weather will improve and get along a bit further, but it's not bad for the few hours in the afternoon, really. Quite pleased with that. But we confirmed that the head joint that gas joint is definitely gone. We know for definite now. We were hoping it was just a gasket, but it's definitely a head joint. But she did sound better with a replacement exhaust on. So till next time.